On guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the extended version. If your Lexus or any vehicle really is not charging properly, it could be because the idle's too low, especially when you're running the AC and the headlights and all that. That was the case here on this Lexus LS 400. So what I did was I came under here, and there's a, see that round gray circle right there? That's a metal tab, and it was able to be bent back slightly, and that raised the idle. And when it did, it also raised the charging voltage. Came over here under the hood, I pulled this up. I've got an adjustment right there. I adjusted it. Now Sweet Cheeks' Lexus is back on the road, charging batteries and hauling ass. Alright, so I just want to go back over this one more time. When we would run the AC on high and the headlights on at